In this Canva tutorial, we're going to learn how to increase the quality of an image in Canva or how to upscale an image in Canva. For this, you can select any ratio. I'll select YouTube thumbnail because my image is in a landscape ratio. Next, upload your image to Canva. I've already uploaded mine here. Just click on it. I've adjusted its size like this. Now, go to the app section and search for Pixel Enhancer. This is our app. Click on it and wait for a few seconds. Make sure you have the image selected. Then, select Enhance Selected Image. Now wait for a few seconds and the image will be enhanced. Now, you can click Replace to swap the original image with the enhanced image, so you can see the before and after. This was the original, and here's our result before and after. This was a very short tutorial. I hope you liked it. After that, you can click on the image and make it even more realistic by editing. For example, adjust the contrast a little, set clarity to 15, and sharpness to 10. So, this is the before and after of the edit. After that, just download it from here if you want.